Hello, beautiful babes, and welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Oh, y'all, today I'm excited. I have a little haul to do. As a matter of fact, y'all, some much needed things, especially one of the items. The other items is just because I wanted them, and perhaps one day I may clip all my nails off. But anyway, let me hold that until we get into the video. But thank y'all so much for clicking on the video. And if you have not subscribed to Sugar Fingers, now is a great time to go ahead, pause the video, and do that right now so you won't forget. And make sure you hit the post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload right here. Now, this channel is for the DIY nail connoisseurs, not the professionals, because we are just testing and enjoying ourselves for sure. And now that we've done all that, let's get to our very first item that I picked up on Amazon. In this packet, you'll find toe separators for pedicures. The brand is Sunfat, and these are repeatable, washable toenail dividers. Y'all know I needed something, right? Did you see my last foot video and I had these disgusting things? Now we're gonna toss these. As a matter of fact, they were made all wrong. Let me just set those aside and let me get into this package real quick. So in here I have a little thank you card, which is so nice. Thank you all as well. And in the package, you will find 2 toe separators, one in pink and one in blue. Again, these are repeatable, washable toenail dividers. Absolutely marvelous. Exactly what I needed. So each time that I do my toes now, I can use these and not worry about them being all messy and destroyed like the other ones were. But as you know, your toes are made where you put one between the pinky toe and so on and so on and so on like that, right? Y'all remember my old ones? Look at here. Why do they have 5? Why? Who were they making these for? I don't know. But anyway, I'm getting ready to toss these. And these are my new ones right here. And again, you can wash them out and carry on. Very, very sanitary. I used to not actually use these, but they are great for doing your pedicures. Actually, it just reduces the friction by separating the toes from each other. And they are just so great for making sure you don't make any mistakes. Also, multi-uses for these. They also relieve pain from crooked toes, which, honey, I'm guilty of that, or overlapping toes. So that makes them easier to polish. So great for that. And they are like $8.99 on Amazon. And happily, I do have 2 different colors here. So pink and the blue. So that is so cool. Now, some time ago, I actually purchased these press-on nails by McCart. They're 500 pieces coffin ballerina nail tips. And they're clear, and you get 500 of the nail tips. You also get 4 pieces of nail glue, a nail file, the case, everything that you need to do your acrylic nails. Okay, I purchased this one and I never really did or used them. I think Maddie has used them several times on her nails. However, everyone wanted to know exactly the thickness and how they look, and I didn't actually open them up at the time, but I do have them right here, and I wanted to share with y'all actually how they looked. I had pulled one out and didn't know exactly where or which one I got it out of, which one of the slots, but here is one here. This is what it looks like here. It's actually rather not as flimsy as some. It's pretty thick. So in case you were looking to get these, that is what it would look like there. And again, you can't really mash it in. Of course, by the time you put your nail polish on top, or even gel nails, that would be perfect. They're pretty sturdy. They're not flimsy at all. So in case you were wondering, am I going to be able to keep these on a minute, or are they gonna bend and break? These are pretty sturdy. Of course, I have my own nails, so I don't really use the press-on nails, so, you know, but I like to have them in stock just in case. You never know when you lose a nail, break a nail, and you need to repair one. So this is what those look like. And of course they come with the glue as well. I don't think we've used maybe but one of the glues out of here because we have so much glue. But since I was stocking up on my own stuff, I'm just gonna leave that one out. And again, they come with a nice little case as well. So she's already separated all of hers out here. And they are, again, just so, I swear these are pretty sturdy. Now that's the ballerina coffin. But what else did I pick up? I picked up the Macquarie press-on nails, the 500 pieces in just the coffin shape. These are clear, full nail tips. So let's open up the box here. Okay, comes with your instruction booklet here, has the information on it, everything that you need to know about the full nails that comes in this kit. And they're all numbered from 0 to 9, okay? And of course you get your nail glue, 4 of those, and a nail file, which is pretty cool, eh? So let's check these out and see what we got here. This is the number 3s. Let's see again. All right, this is the size 3 here, and this is it. Now to me, these are not as thick as the ballerina coffins. They are not as thick. I guess they had to account for the curvature of the nail there on the tip of the ballerinas. But these are not as thick, but of course your typical nail. And most, again, will be using either acrylic on top, or either they're going to be using some type of gel on top. So again, not as thick as you can tell. I don't know, I'm gonna try to put it up to the camera so you can actually see. But again, I guess because these are so narrow towards the end that they have to make them thicker, but these are not as thick. But again, for the price, these are $16.99. Now, when I originally bought the ballerina coffins, they were actually $9.99, but they've also gone up to $16.99. I guess they've become so popular now that they increase the price, and that's of course how the sellers do on Amazon. We understand business, but we don't want to deal with it, okay? So this is the size 3. I'm not sure what finger that can fit on for me. That is okay, and there's the length of it there, as you can see. Not extremely long, but relatively long, okay? Like so. And shoot, I could actually fit that on my nail. How about that? My daughter, Maddie, she always says, Mom, you can't put your nails, nail tips and all of that on top of your actual nail. You have to clip your nails down. I'm like, I'm gonna try it. But this is that set, which I think is so nice. Again, for $16.99, but you get everything that you need in order just to pop you some nails on, polish them up after you've done that, and you're good to go. So that is the complete set of the coffin nails. So cute, so nice. I love it. And what I'm going to do is put those back in the box and move on to the next item. And of course, we always need extra nail glue. And the reason why I wanted this nail glue is because this is the nail glue that you can brush on. Yes, and who doesn't want that? Girl, I'm telling you. Why struggle getting glue on when you can brush it on? These are also, the nails are from Make Art, but these are also from Make Art. It's a set of 3 super brush on nail glue for acrylic nails and to bond them quickly. and even, you know, for like nail repair. That's so good. I love it. Let me just check them out here. Here's one. Open it up here. Yes, honey, that makes it so simple. If you have to use it, this is what I would recommend right here. Definitely for getting those nails done. You feel me? Okay. So this will run you $18.99. I was actually going to buy just one of these, but the price point was so off. So it was more economical to go ahead and get the 3. And I know I may have to share or what have you, but I know we have lots of glues around. But that is what that looks like. That's the size of it. You get 0.23 ounces, which is 7 milliliters in here. And it also comes with a little instruction booklet. So I'm awesomely satisfied with my purchases this time around. And hey, I'm so glad y'all tuned in to check out what I got. So make sure you stick and stay. I will definitely be doing my nails over the next couple of days because they are much in need of getting a fill-in or something. I've had my nails done this way for over, I'm sure, a week now. And it's time to change it up. So this is what I got. This is what I got. And these are what I got. So that is it. Y'all, thanks so much for tuning in to Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Like, comment, subscribe. And please hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload. We're gonna get ready to do some nails, y'all, so stick and stay right here. I think this time around I'm going to actually try acrylic nails, which is more or less an acrylic overlay for me since I do rock my natural nails. Beautiful babes, thanks so much again, and hey, I'll see you on the next video, and please keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.